Flying a drone anywhere in the world from the comfort and safety of the Gold Coast. A Burleigh business is leading the way in remote flying and aviation technology, landing staff national recognition.
Flying above the rest.
Delivering medicine, delivering food.
To improve humanity, Hover UAV is helping other businesses navigate the world of drones and even fly them from the other side of the world.
When we're ready for the flight, we can put a flight plan in, we can check all the safety requirements, then that box would open, the drone would take off and complete that mission.
The company recently flew a drone in Israel from their Burleigh office, and that's not all.
We start by doing one drone to one pilot, and what we're really pushing now is, one pilot, we can be flying multiple drones in different parts of the country.
The company has worked with the maritime industry and conservation.
Flying to collect snot with whales.
To surf life-saving and shark spotting.
Coming up with shark alarms and life-saving drops.
The business has been nominated for 3 national awards for leadership and innovation.
We actually created a lot of those systems for the communications to be able to communicate to the other air traffic over a very long distance to improve safety.
An industry that's rapidly changing and growing.
I think everyone will eventually have them in their cars or as part of their tools on a work site.
The future full of possibilities.
It's driverless vehicles through to robotics, through to autonomous maritime.
Creating a new highway in the sky. Amelia Adam, 7 Gold Coast News.